Hello, welcome back to our channel. So, as we know, in yesterday, India has finally published the new pattern of OMR sheet. So, in this video, we're gonna share you how to fill the OMR answer sheet of NEET 2021. As the new pattern of OMR sheet is much different from the earlier one, it is very important to know what are the new things added in the OMR answer sheet. So please don't skip the video, watch carefully and should know what are the new things added here. So before filling the OMR sheet, candidates should remember one thing, that OMR sheets are evaluated by computer software. Okay, it's not evaluated by a person, it's evaluated by a computer software. That means the software is very sensitive and can read properly filled black colored bubbles. That means do not tamper or please don't scratch the OMR sheet, and all the candidates has to be provide the required information in the OMR sheet. In the new pattern of OMR sheet, specific space or boxes are provided to fill the required information like your roll number, test booklet number, test booklet code, and please do not write anything else on the OMR sheet because this will lead to the rejection of the OMR sheet. So please careful with your OMR sheet. So the first thing we can see in the OMR sheet is your roll number, and every candidate provide with a 10-digit roll number, and it will be released with your admit card, and India will soon release it. So India also release the correct way to fill the roll number, and you can see here itself. That means, for example, when your roll number was started with 9, you have to bubble the number 9 in the box given below. And the second one, if starts with 8, you have to bubble the number 8 given below. Then if it is 7, you can bubble the 7th one itself. And please try to fill it very clearly and do not make anything scratches and all things. The next one you can see is a test booklet number, and every candidate got a 7-digit test booklet number, and it should be marked correctly, and it should be marked as the way we have already discussed as of the roll number. Make sure to write it very clearly. And in the OMR sheet, we can see a next column which you have to write your name, that is the candidate's name, in running handwriting. Please do not write in capital letters and all, write in running handwriting. And the next column was to be write your father's name and your mother's name, and those two things also be write in running handwriting too. And as we know, NEET 2021 is a 3-hour duration test, and the test booklet contains 200 multiple choice questions. That is 4 options with a single correct answer from physics, chemistry, and biology. And according to the new pattern of NEET, 50 questions in each subjects are divided into 2 sections, that is section A and section B. So section A consists of 35 questions in each subject, and please note all these 35 questions are very important and should be right the questions are compulsory. But according to the section B consists of only 15 questions, and each candidate can select any 10 of the 15 questions. You can select any 10 of them. And next one is, do not fill more than one option of any of the question because the answer is only one. A single answer is provided for all the questions, so please don't try to fill more than one option. So in next column, we can find a column which is written as a declaration by candidate. So in this column, candidates are required to sign with the time in running handwriting. So when you get the question paper, you have get a test booklet code, and make sure that the code printed on the OMR sheet is same as that of the test booklet. And in case of any problems, the candidate should immediately report the matter to the invigilator for the replacement of the test booklet and the answer sheet. So these are the basic instructions. So let me say it once again. In the first column, you can find your roll number, write it carefully, and bubble the same number as you get. The second one contains the test booklet number. You have to write it and also bubble the same number as given below. And next one is, just look at the test booklet code. If you think it is different from your uh, test booklet code and OMR sheets are different, you have to inform it to the invigilator as soon as possible. Then you have to sign it in running letters. Then you have to write your name, your father's name, your mother's name, and also invigilator will take off your left hand thumb impression. And in the last column you can see it's is a signature of invigilators, so you do not have to write anything on there. And when comes to the response or the answer sheet, as we already said, section A has 35 and section B has 15 questions. You have to only pick up any 10 of the 15 questions, and more than, if you write more than 15, sorry, more than 10 questions from the section B, the first 10 will be only looking forward and the next 5 will be devaluated. So please not to take only 10 questions from the section B. And also one thing to remember is, we have only 180 minutes and the question is 200. So make sure to take a good time management by practicing today itself. So these are the basic instructions. Thank you.